My name is Desi Saran. I'm the founder and CEO of Sweetberry Bowls. I founded the company in October of 2017, and we have grown the company very, very quickly. To date, we've opened 17 stores across 4 states, and I partnered with Breakthrough Social to help build our company and build our marketing. We hired Sean and Breakthrough Social because of their work. I think they have a really good eye for video content and storytelling. I think that marketing now and today, you have to really stand out and you have to really connect with your consumer, your customer. And Breakthrough Social does a really good job of capturing our brand and telling our story through video and distributing it through social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. We chose Breakthrough Social because of their track record. We saw that they work with some pretty big brands like Safavia, Rugs USA, and Sojo Spa. Sojo Spa is actually a spa that's down the street and local to me, and I've personally seen a lot of the videos that they did and saw how their video content really helped kind of explode that company. The owner over there attributes a lot of their success to Breakthrough Social's video content. So in addition, we also tested out one of Sean's videos. He created a piece of video content for us for NYC Hungry, and he launched it on that platform. And it was just a video of what goes in our Sweetberry Bowl and some of our products. To date, we're still running those videos. It's one of our best performing videos. He did a great job of capturing how we make our product, what goes into the product, and making it look very appealing to our consumers. So not only are they creating really good content for our consumers to look at, they're doing a really great job of distributing it across different social media platforms and making use of our spend and making sure that it's super efficient. When we started Sweetberry, we opened 10 plus stores. I think we're at 15, 16 corporate stores to date. The next phase of our growth was creating the franchise company. And to get the word out about our franchising, we needed a really good piece of content. Last year, Breakthrough Social created a video content for us with our franchise sales director, Anthony Spagnola, talking about our brand, our growth plans, and our strategy to expand into outside states. That video is probably the most viral piece of content that we've launched in our company. To date, it has over 1,000 shares. It's been viewed probably 300 or 400,000 times, and we're still running it a year later, and it's consistently generating leads for us. So Sean and his team came up with a really amazing campaign called Made with Good Vibes. It's a video campaign that highlights our partners, our staff, our management, our customers, our employees, our vendors, people within the community, and we're talking about our Made with Good Vibes mantra. So we're putting out this great message into the world, and we're distributing it amongst different platforms like Instagram, like Facebook, YouTube. It's not just about creating video content for showcasing our products and showcasing our food. We're telling our message to the community, which is it's far more important. And Breakthrough Social has done a fantastic job of taking that on their own. They approached us with this campaign, and we said, that is probably the best way to communicate our message to the world. I think that any business that can tell a story would fit with Breakthrough Social. Anything that's visually appealing. Restaurant, we're the perfect use case. Any type of restaurant chain, any restaurant brand, any restaurant franchise, especially if you have multiple units. I think Breakthrough Social, just their video content and their storytelling alone is something that can help a restaurant stand out from their competitors. But again, anything that's appealing. They've worked with big, large furniture brands. They've worked with large spas. They've worked with salons. E-commerce is great. I think e-commerce is exploding, and they can take a CPG product or a consumer packaged good and really highlight it to their audience, see what the product can do. And also services as well, any type of service product. So any brand or any company that has a story to tell can work with Breakthrough Social.